Welcome back. Now what we'll do here is that let's do some kind of operations with signal and slot. As we already know that whenever I click on this push button and this is connecting to this function. In order to get the values like what are the values in the label 1, label 2, label 3 and so on. In order to get those values, what we have to do is that we need to change this variables to self. We need to attach self to it. So let's change everything, the variables, and let's assign self to it. So put self dot label 1, label 2, label underscore image, and also this is self dot line edit, this is self dot button, this is self dot combo box, and this is self dot combo box, and this will also change to self. Okay, so now what we did, we successfully put the self. So now what are the functions? Using this function we can use this particular variables, and that variable can be accessed anywhere inside this class. Now what we will do is that as soon as when I press this button, instead of printing this click, I want to print the values that was inside my QLine edit and also the values that was selected by the Q combo box. So in order to get those information, so let me say that the text and line edit, that's going to be equal to self dot line edit dot text, and this will basically give you the text that was inside the line edit. If it is empty, you will get empty, and if it is some values, you can able to get those values and store into this variable. And similarly, let's also get the current text in the combo box. For that, current text is going to be equal to self dot combo box dot current text, and this will basically give you the current text, what are the current selection, and you can able to get those information here. Now let me do one thing, let me print text line edit and current text. Now as soon as whenever you click on this push button, now what are the values or what are the text that was there in the line edit or current text of the combo box, that will get printed here. Let me execute it. Okay, now here you go, we have the line edit is there, and let me mention it is data science anywhere. Okay, the maximum value is 20, so that's the reason we got this. Now anyway, this is my data science anywhere, and I will select strawberry. Now click on select, and here you go, you can notice that we have the data science anywhere and the strawberry is printed in my terminal. That's really cool, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do here is that based on the text that was inside the current combo box, now I will going to select that particular image. I'm already having the images with me. Now what I'll do here is that based upon the current text, I will change the pixel map and this label underscore image. That's what I'm going to do here. In order to do that, what I'll do first, let me mention if current text is equal to lemon, because I already know that if it is a lemon, then what I have to do is that I need to change this. So let me copy this, copy it and paste it here, so which is nothing but self dot label image set pixel map, and here I need to select this lemon. So what I'll do, let me select the lemon, that is dot, and the name of the folder, it is in the images folder, and the name of the picture is lemon.jpg. Okay, now let me test this first. Let me execute this. Now what I can do here is that let me enter my name, and this is my lemon, and select it. It's cool, right? As soon as you select the lemon, and this picture is got changed. Now let me close this. What I will do, let me also change it for rest of the things like peach, strawberry and radish. For that, let me use this elif if current text equal to if it is a peach, make sure it is not case sensitive, so exactly put what are the values that was there here. If it is peach, then paste it here, and this is, let's select the peach image which is from the images folder, and it is peach.jpg. Next is elif, and current text equal to if it is a strawberry, then self dot label image dot set pixel map, and it is qtg dot q pixmap, and the image name is in the images folder, and of course I need to select the strawberry dot jpg. Now copy it, and also elif, and it is current text equal to if it is my radish, then the image that I need to select is radish.jpeg. Just check that it is a jpeg, not jpg. Now select the jpeg here, which is nothing but radish.jpeg. Okay, that's cool. Now let's run our application, and here you go. You can enter whatever the name you want and what are things. Of course we can able to extract this information using the slots. Now I selected the lemon and click on push button select, and this is my lemon. Let me select peach, and you can also select strawberry and radish. Oh, there is it. Yeah, and also let me select radish. That's really cool, right? So this is how you can able to build a simple application and also understand the basic widgets and functionalities of PyQT. And hope you understand the basic widgets and the functionalities of PyQT. In the next section, we will see more on this. Until then, happy learning.